Closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.
Oh, what's up, guys? This is Kuruzu from Kuruzu's Gaming and Reactions, and I wanted to show you guys how you can turn your cell phone holders, and you see I got two different types here, into a tablet holder. Now the metal one, obviously you can't use it. It doesn't have flexible legs, so you'll need to get the flexible type legs, like this example right here. And what we're going to do, I'm going to show you how you can turn this into a tablet where you can hold, my tablet's all cracked up, but a tablet holder, so you can watch your programming without it sliding down if you don't have a case or whatever. So this is just a do-it-yourself DIY video. So if you like this video, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe, and share. This is very simple, very easy. It's flexible legs. Come on, people. It's easy. All right, so pay attention. All right, so hopefully you'll be able to see what I'm doing. Well, I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to use this holder for watching this video. So y'all should be able to see it from there. I think so. Yeah. All right, so basically all you want to do is you just want to bend this thing, man, to where, let's see, you just want to bend it so it can, fit your tablet. So it's not very difficult, man. You just take it, fold the legs out like this, like so, sort of like an octopus. You know what I mean? Fold it over. They're flexible legs. It'll hold. You want to turn this around so it'll be facing that way. Okay? And then you take your tablet and you sit it inside the little legs here on the side, and you spread them out. That way it won't be blocking the photo, blocking the picture, and voila. You have a tablet holder. Very simple, very easy. Now, it's good. It's really important to have the one with the flexible legs with the sponge because it doesn't slip or anything. Got good grip. It's a holder and it's perfect for displaying your tablet. Hands off. Just finger touch to wherever you want to do. As you can see, I'm getting ready to get into some Star Trek, and I guess this is what we're doing. Actually, I'm at work, but I guess this is what we're doing during the lockdown, just coming up with stuff. So anyway, guys, if you like this video, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe, and share. I'm Kuruzu from Kuruzu's Gaming and Reactions. I'll see you in the next video.